speak it, write it, sing it, come and be right. Reach across the world.
Good evening. Are you Mrs. Deepa Mabusog?
Yes. Yes, I am.
I'm Luis, and this is Otep. Would you like to eat now?
Yes. We're hungry.
Otep, nagugutom daw sila. Kakain na para sila.
Sige po, tutulungan ko kayo.
Sige na po, salamat. Ano pa ba yan? Salamat, Otep. Kids, let's practice. Aalukin ko at ni Otep ng pagkain sina Mrs. Deepa Mabusog. Pag narinig nyo, ang... Kayo ang sumagot para sa kanila. Ha? Ready?
Yes!
Would you like some soup?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Some soup for the missus. There you go, ma'am.
Would you like some eggplant? No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Would you like some soup?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Oh, certainly, sir. There you go.
Would you like some eggplant? Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Would you like some soup?
No, thank you. No, thank you. Would you like some eggplant? Yes, please. Yes, please.